morning everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back here in Geneva, in this wonderful place. It's very beautiful and sunny. And today, it's been a while that I haven't driven and got any Jaguar, but today, the one and only, this kind of very rare Jaguar XKR with the Arden kit, as you can notice by the rims already, but I'm going to show you like later on what's inside of this car. This car, I've just never seen it on the road, I've never seen it driven here in Geneva. And today there's a huge privilege, so massive thanks, big honor to just get this car and discover more what this car is and what this car is about. So this is just so cool. So yeah, without waiting, let's get discover this Jaguar with all the Arden kit. Here we go. So yeah, ladies and gents, we're just aboard this Jaguar XKR with Leo, my boy. There it is. Back after 2 years. I think that you guys maybe might remember about when we shooted the Range Rover SVR, the electric blue 2 years ago.
It was good times.
It was a very good time. British car, and now we're back on a British car as well.
Yeah, indeed.
Indeed, we're just enjoying. So welcome back on the channel.
Thank you very much.
For this very special car, very special Jaguar. And just before we start, we have a beautiful straight line, of course, sport mode. Wow, the throttle response. It pushes you as never. Wow, check this out. And the view is absolutely beautiful right here. Wow. And I haven't even used the paddles. This is really insane.
It's insane, especially as passenger. It's amazing.
Yeah, because when you drive, like, you're so focused, and when you're just on the passenger side, you can enjoy more the car and to maybe grip you better and to check everything. Wow. But yeah, we're just going to start with the engine, because just starting with the car is mega special itself, without any kit, etc. It's a 2008, and this car has been produced between 2006 and 2009. We're just getting back on the normal mode. We're gonna put back the sport mode just later on, of course. And yeah, and the car, I love the color. It shines on the sun.
Yeah, it's beautiful blue, and yeah, very enjoyable to watch.
It's like deep dark blue that is shining entirely on the sun. You have like, I don't know what's inside, like sort of glitter, but it's beautiful. Yeah. And the car is like, has all the pack, like the store, how to say, like the car has over 10 years old, and how the car looks, how the maintenance of the car has been done is literally insane. Yeah. The shape of the car, like, it's just brand new, and you're just back 10 years ago. And you never could say that this car is that much old or on that shape, and it's absolutely great. So just starting with the engine, of course, as you guys could hear before, yeah, you see, it's absolutely not the same. The exhaust has been changed, the suspension as well, between the sport and the normal mode. It's a 4.2 liter, the previous engine that we have for the same, the old brand new, we have a 3 liter or even 5 liter, but this is a 4.2 liter V8 supercharged, which is like straight away. We still have the supercharged, but the Jaguars, the Range Rover, they do still keep the supercharged, which is great, but the fuel consumption is obviously more than turbos. And it pushes you so much. It's a 420 horsepower. You've just felt them before.
Trust me, I can feel them. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. The feeling on the ride, and it's that low on the ride.
Oh yeah, of course.
And that's a very nice feeling.
Yeah, so 420 horsepower for 560 Newton meters of torque. And the car is like, it looks big, but it's like pretty light as well, so it grips well on the road. And the throttle, the gear response, and it's just straight away, and the car is fixed on the road. The car is not moving at all. And when you just put the accelerator, and it goes straight away, and from 0 to 100 it's only 5.2 seconds.
That's right.
This is like mega quick.
Nice.
This is so quick, and so many people are just watching the car around and are wondering what is that.
Yeah.
Because you never see this here in Geneva. We see like the normal coupes, like the 2015, 17, 18, but not this one.
Yes.
And that one, which is more upgraded because it's more special with the kit. The Arden kit is...
That's very beautiful.
It's beautiful, and it adds more... your car is like unique. You've customized the car, and there's one of one. Like, you don't find another one.
Yeah, it creates a real identity to the car.
Indeed, and you can notice, because the first thing first, because of the grille, you have this very, very special grille that Jaguar is not making, but you can add with the Arden kit as well. And you have the both grills, the upper kit, the upper grill and the lower grill. So you have like these two grills on the front.
Yeah.
And on the bonnet, this is so great because you have the air takings inside of the bonnet. Like, you cannot really see from here, but it adds more aggressivity to the car.
True.
And like, the car is mega aggressive from the outside. The inside, we're just going to see later on, it's less aggressive, it's less chill, except when you just put the throttle up. And it's mega great. And what I do also love is the 21 inches rims, and it's Ford rims Arden.
Yeah.
You have like bullets.
Yeah, especially from the side, it's just so enjoyable, and it fits with the car perfectly, and it just adds more identity to the car.
Yeah.
No, it's perfect.
Like, the kit is better. It's not too much. This is great.
Yeah.
It's like not mega bling that it shines. It's not show off. And it actually matches so great the blue, the outside blue with the silver rims. So the contrast is pretty great. The black rims, for once, I'm agree that it won't be fitting well. I'm a massive fan of black rims. And the black back, I really love the black back inside of the cars. But here, even the black back won't really fit of this car because the car is already dark.
Yeah.
So it just adds a better contrast with all these special rims. And going back to the rear side of the car, we have these two exhaust tips like on each side. We can put back the sport mode, and the valves are just open, like, because you see so much the difference between the normal driving and the sport driving. Like, the valves are just absolutely open, and the noise, wow. And the noise is absolutely way more higher. The throttle goes more, like around 4 or 5, like mega much than on the normal drive.
Now you can feel that the car, when it's on normal mode, it's just like it's holding its horses.
Yeah.
Once you put sports mode, the car just like it's free. Yeah,
it gets everything out.
Wow. Honestly, you gotta try it. You gotta try it.
And I think that those cars are starting to be like kind of really raw, because it's like old gen, and people on maybe are looking for.
It's more exclusive, I think.
Yeah, and this car is like perfectly also for daily driving. This is like the most important thing.
Yeah, true.
You can go everywhere. Like, okay, Geneva is very special. To just drive the cars, to just park the cars, the underground parks. Just be careful of the rims. If you just crash or smash the 21 inches rims, you might could take more time to repair them, because it's not usual. And yeah, so just if you notice this car, just I'm gonna give you my advice. Just watch closer the car. Maybe in UK you can find these cars maybe more often.
I have no idea,
because I know that you are guys are massive fans of that. And yeah, about the inside, what I do love, it's also my first premiere for sort of classic cars or something like that. Maybe it's not yet a classic car, but you feel that it's another generation about everything. And the inside is mega special, and it's kept until today. For Jaguar, if you take the F-Type Coupe, it keeps the DNA of the previous generation of the Jaguars until today. And this is mega unique. The inside.
Yeah, it's just beautiful, and the space you have.
Yeah.
I mean, if, for example, if you've got a long drive to do,
look at that.
It's very wide, so you've got much space. It's very wide, legroom, incredible.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's very comfortable. I could do like 2 hours easy. I mean, it's a very comfortable car, and there's no problem with like your sports car where you feel a bit like too compact. I feel it's very comfortable, so good point for that car.
It's like 2 meters wide. I don't know if you guys can see that on the vlog, but the car is 2 meter wide.
Yeah.
It's just so unique. Okay, maybe it's an old gen, but it's 2 meter wide and 4.8 meters long. It's like super long and super wide, but you feel so easy to drive the car.
Yeah.
You feel mega, it goes itself and it floats.
Yeah.
It's floating, so that's really great. Yeah, and just back for the inside, do not forget the most important part as well. You have this veneer inside of the car that makes this car classy.
Yeah,
super classy. Look at the veneer, like all the touches that are just surrounding the car, and it's absolute. I've never seen that except on the Bentleys. I didn't even know that Jaguar was making that before. It's so special.
Yeah, that's true.
Check this out, and you have all around, not on the rear because we don't have enough place, but the inside. I'm mega surprised, even on the doors. But it's my first time driving a wood, like with wood touches. Steering, yeah.
Even the airbag is just wood.
Yeah, the whole part of this. Wow, it's so cool. I'm mega surprised. I'm so happy. I'm so glad to drive this car. Actually, I just figured it out. But it's super unique. Okay, maybe you have this entertainment screen. You have the old dials, which I love as well. Now we have all the digital dials.
Yeah, true.
It's not mega charmy, and this is pretty cool as well.
I love it.
And yeah, we do have like a small screen in the middle, but actually you don't need that much this screen because you're more enjoying the car.
Yeah, it's true. No, it's true.
Driving the car and not watching the screen.
Yeah.
Except just for the radio and for the AC. And yeah, you feel mega comfortable. The seats are just so comfortable as well. They're not mega hard and they're not bucket seats as we are used to find this nowadays actually. And it's mega. You can cruise on the seat.
You can just cruise.
Like it depends how fast you drive or how slow you go. You have the same feeling of the comfort of the seats.
It's true. I totally agree. No, it's a very comfortable car.
Yeah.
As I said, space room.
The space room, yeah.
It's just amazing.
Yeah, so maybe you guys can come back on the old versions, because a lot of people are saying that the old cars are not cool as before. But if you compare the old generation and the new generation, it has absolutely nothing in common. And maybe the old ones, like almost better than the old brand new ones. And then they don't have turbos. It's absolutely perfect for even a collector guy.
Yeah, true.
For to just add that to your collection, maybe the car could fit so well. And
yeah, it's true. It just looks
just
the inside just looks typically English.
Yeah,
like very classy, no show off.
We almost could wear a suit.
Yeah, and I mean it's perfectly finished. Like everything is just like you can tell they've thought about everything.
Absolutely.
And, like the car just like everything is balanced. Love it.
So yeah, I hope that you guys absolutely enjoyed. Thank you so much for being part of the vlog as well.
Pleasure.
We're just gonna put back the sport exhaust mode for the last noise of the car. So yeah, I really hope that you guys appreciate it. Being here today with us in Geneva in this beautiful sunny weekend. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, stay tuned as well of course for plenty other unexpected, because I haven't planned at all doing this car, and it's unexpected as well at the last minute of course. So yeah, don't forget to stay tuned, and Leo, thank you very much.
No worries. It was a
As well, maybe
real
see you
pleasure.
to next time to another day with another classic. Who knows?
Anytime.
Anytime.
It was a pleasure.
And yeah, I wish you guys to have a very great day, and I see you very, very soon. Bye.
Bye.